Do you think they're dating?
I don't know. Stop looking at them like that. I mean, they're laughing a lot.
I feel like they have really good body language.
What does that even mean?
Like, they're leaning into each other a lot.
I feel like he's showing her a picture of another girl. Stop looking.
I guess not.
And he's eating her food.
That's like a friend thing to do.
You think their friends left?
I feel like they didn't come with friends.
Yeah.
How do you know when you stop being friends and start being lovers?
I don't know.
Is it when you listen to new albums together? Or is it when you send a message? Hi, first thing after waking up in the morning. Is it when you're the only ones that will always laugh at each other's jokes? Or is it when they start being the first person you invite to join every outing? Is it when you start trusting their judgment to validate your own? Is it when the hugs get a little bit tighter, the nights out together a little bit longer? You're my best friend.